there's the garbage truck. That's 2006 for, of course. And we're coming over here. Oh wait, it's going straight. Yeah, as you can see, that's 2006. Oh my goodness. Then I'm spotting this right now, that garbage can over there. We're still gonna take the video. We're gonna be waiting without here for like long. And here's my mini garbage truck. Looks so cute. AirPods. Whoa, whoa. Looks like that was start recording for fall. See if there's anything in my mail. Anything in my mailbox. And it's gonna be a great day, people. Anything in the mailbox. I'll get that later. What the frick? Looks like the garbage truck is here on time. We're still waiting for it's gonna go around the whole neighborhood and it's gonna go down here, over there, around there, and go to our garbage can and back. I'll just take my garbage can later. Looks like the truck is here. Did you guys hear that? That's the garbage truck, which is, it cleans our world. Like, the man's like, we have to clean the world. Our world is kind of dirty, but not really. It's really clean. Really clean. Like 100% clean. There's the birds. The birds in the sky. If you guys see that. We're just staying out here with the garbage can with my sandals. My nails kind of look dirty today. Right here, it's ready to move it up for Holland. I think the garbage truck is still there anyway. I mean, that's a Ford van. What are you talking about? It's a Ford van. And the truck goes to honk, honk, and boom, boom. And this is going to be an awesome day. If you guys hear that garbage truck, I said, dude, over here. That's that window. Over here. In that garage. Everything. Every house. Everything. Every house. Yes, every house. Waiting out here for 2 minutes. 2 minutes straight. And, yeah, see how this goes, everybody. Make sure to keep your world safe and clean. Okay, do you guys hear that garbage truck? All the way from over there, over here. Looks like a mini garbage can. My garbage truck. Give me mini garbage truck. It's like this, and then, yeah. Just goes around the neighborhood and done. Like that's gonna roll around from somehow. I just made that myself, and you could guys get it for $5.99. $5. Of course, that's a price. Do I hear the garbage truck, guys? I swear, if you guys hear the garbage truck, you should better give the like. I can make a part 3 on TikTok if you know that. Where's the truck? Hey guys, you know, it's been a really good day today, so yeah. See how this goes. Hear the garbage truck, guys? I mean, that sound is kind of like annoying. Okay. Waiting out here for minutes and minutes. It's my dream come true to go Steve. Hope I'm not supposed to say that. That's because it's a sin. The clouds are beautiful. The trees are beautiful. It's running like crazy. Jeez. Been recording out here for 4 minutes. The garbage truck should be coming. Here, guys. You guys hear that? That's a big of the garbage truck. Garbage truck is the key. Oh, hear that, guys? Hear that? It's a garbage truck. Garbage truck. It's a garbage truck. There's a garbage truck. Oh my goodness. If you guys don't know, this is a garbage truck over there. That's a big of a mistake. Look at that. Wow! There's the garbage truck. Look, there it is. It's picking out those garbage cans. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, 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 oh! Look at that garbage can. I'm gonna wait till that garbage truck driver. I think he's on duty. Oh, 2006, of course. That's a 2006. See, there you go. Oh, look at that garbage can. I forgot to see that. Pay more attention to the truck and yeah, make sure to be good. And make sure to be like safe distance from the truck because the driver may not see you. That garbage. Oh, I didn't see that garbage can. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's another one. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh! Look at that engine, boom! That is awesome. Garbage can out there. Okay, there it is. There it is. Oh, those garbage cans are out there. Okay, guys, you ready? This is a big dump. There it is. Oh! Oh my goodness! Vroom! And remember, guys, make sure to get backwards because the truck may not fit in the circle. And there it is. Our beautiful garbage truck. Whoa! Oh, that room! That room was crazy. Oh, there it is, the garbage can. Oh! Dude, this is a beautiful day with a garbage truck driver. Oh, there it is. It's coming! It's coming! I wish this is a front loader, front end loader, and then it has a box in front of it. And yeah, and it's just a front loader. And look at that. Let me wave to the garbage truck driver. Woo! Alright, guys, look at this. That's our garbage can. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa! Oh! Oh! That was a thing of a bro, my people. Garbage can. Whoa! Oh my goodness. I love my garbage man. He's awesome. He knows how to stop the garbage. See if there's anything in the garbage can, but still the garbage truck is here. Bye-bye, garbage can! Parallel. Ah! Oh, there it is, there it is. Bye-bye, garbage truck. Bye, guys.